so let's get into it, and we're going to start with the lovely Kathy. Let me find Kathy first of all, and then let me unmuterize her. Unmute. All right, Kathy, I have unmuted you, darling, so you should be able
Hi.
to. Hello, how are you?
Can you hear me? Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, Neil.
Hello, hello, how are you, hon?
Good, good, good. Thank you.
How's your lockdown going?
Oh, it's still on. It's just we're not curfewed now. Till we're allowed out after 9 o'clock at night now. But
They've let the
there's nowhere
animals
to
out.
go.
That means you can go to the bottle shop now. What are you talking about?
No, they probably shut. I've got plenty at home. Plenty of grog at home.
So for those of you who don't know Kathy, Kathy is one of the AOE Master Coaches. She helps people through the Diamond program. She's one of the Diamond coaches, and she also does product discovery sessions. She's helped a ton of people find really friggin' awesome products to sell on Amazon. And Kathy, do you want to give a little background to what it is you're going to share with us tonight?
Okay, so I've got two little helpful hacks. I've noticed in the Facebook a few people have talked about how to find low competition products, and there's a little glitch that I've become aware of, and I think Cameron Scott has asked me a few questions about that, so I thought I'd clear it up tonight. So, and then the second hack is I've watching YouTube videos on what other people are up to and keeping upskilled all the time. I found out a brilliant little hack on how you can actually find out who your clients are, and Amazon let us know. So I'm not sure if
why is that important, Kathy? Give folks who are possibly new to the world of Amazon and Aussie online entrepreneurs, why is that important?
Well, Amazon over the years has made sellers very aware that they own the customer, not us. So getting any information is good information, and you don't have to spend money, or you can use it for Facebook ads and stuff like that. Finding out where the clients that are buying your products, where they live, what state they're in, so you can target that sort of stuff. Very helpful.
All right. So do you want to? Which one do you want to go first? Do first.
Well, you're on that page, so we're in Seller Central. So,
right.
Are you on the US or Australia?
This is US of A.
Okay, because it's a little bit different for each one. So, in the US, if you can go on to reports, please, Neil.
There's reports, and here's one I prepared earlier.
And then you go to fulfillment,
which is just down here. Amazon fulfilled shipments.
Yes, and so you can do this once a month. So if you want to, I don't know if everyone's like me, but I have my weekly tasks, my daily tasks, and my monthly tasks. So if you schedule it, it'll give you all the clients that have purchased off you in the last 30 days.
All right, so Kathy and I spoke a little bit earlier today, and I actually ran this report based on Kathy's instructions. Pretty simple to do, as you've seen. Just come and start in here, go to reports, and you want to go to fulfillment reports. That one just there. Oops, what an idiot I am. This there, filming, and I'll bring you here. And then you're going to click on Amazon fulfilled shipments. Last 30 days, request a CSV download. That will bring up this little thing, and then when it's ready for you, you can just download it there. And then when you do download it, here's what comes up. Hopefully that's going to show that. There we go. So when you do download, that's what comes up. So then you get all of the customer data as Kathy has said, which is freaking fantastic. So I ran this report based on what Kathy had said, and here it all is. So what can we do with this, Kathy?
Well, you've got their name, their address, their postcode.
So you could
use
go
it.
on,
Well,
I'll
you
let
see
you.
which dates that they're, where are these, so is this shipped, is that CA, California? So would you target Facebook ads to that state over other states?
Yeah. So let me very, very quickly show you how to do that. So what Kathy's rightly said is you could take this information from here, What I've done, the only thing I've done is I've split the recipient into first name and surname, okay? That's just to help Facebook input the data properly into Facebook. So that's all I did. I took the recipient details and split them first name, surname. And then if I come back over to here, bang, bang, bang. There we go. So now I'm in one of my Facebook ad things, and I'm going to go to audiences. And this is an advanced strategy. And of course, we just did outsourcing in the inner circle on Thursday night. And so you could very, very easily outsource all this, outsource what Kathy's just shown you. So you can just go to create audience, and you want to do a custom audience. And then you're going to use the customer list. And if I click on that, you can see, I'm not going to upload it because there's no point, but you can see now I've got these little identifiers, first name, surname, more identifiers, city, country, region. So what will happen as a result of uploading this customer data into Facebook is you will then have your customer list in Facebook so that you can market to them afterwards, which is freaking fan-bloody-tastic. So you could do things like put an advert in front of them to buy more of your stuff, put an advert in front of them to leave your reviews, all sorts of cool stuff like that. And then once you've actually got your custom audience, just go click off that, you can then turn that custom audience into what's called a lookalike audience, where you can find more potential customers on Facebook, which is absolutely bloody fantastic. I love this. Super cool hack, Kathy. I think it's bloody fantastic.
Thank you.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.